Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today we're going to do a how to install video of a tempered glass screen protector from AM Film for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. So let's start the video, show you what I'm talking about. Pow. Alright guys, so here we're going to do a tempered glass installation with the AM Film 2-pack tempered glass. So if you guys haven't checked this out, it seems like it's very easy. Let me bring down that brightness real quick for you guys. Alright, so you do have the easy touch and you do have the easy fit, so this should be way more easier. Now I'm pretty old school when it comes to tempered glass, so I just like to peel it off and just place it on top of the glass, but it looks like this one is way more easier. So let's just pop this baby open. I'll be right back. Alright, so we are now back. We could pop off that plastic and see exactly what's inside here. Alright, so this should be simple, especially when I watched a few videos of how to do it. So it does actually come in a 2-pack right here. So you have your nice little kits here. Pretty good. And you do have your dust removal stickers. Now these are giant ones that take over the whole screen, which is pretty different than what I'm used to. I will have a link down below down to these over here. So you have your alcohol prep pad. It looks like it's a screen cleaning kit. This could not, oh yeah, okay, so it does actually include alcohol and water, lifetime warranty, and some more stickers. So you do have a whole bunch of stickers to actually take out the dirt. Alright, so I have been using this for a while, just barefoot, but let me just turn this off. I like to turn it off when I do stuff like that. So if you want to turn it off, you just have to hold down the volume up and the power at the same time and then slide across. Alright, so if you do have a nice little protection right here, you could just place that right on top. What we're going to do is we're going to clean it off with the alcohol prep pad right here. This does have the AM Film logo on it, so big shout out to them, and big shout out to Eric as well from TechMat and from AM Film. So basically what we're doing is we're just actually cleaning off the screen, just to take off any type of dirt or any type of residue that may be there. Go around in circles, go around, whichever pattern actually works for you the best. All right, put that to the side. And it looks like, what else does it come with? Does it? All right, so it does have a microfiber cleaning cloth. Just go like that, knock it out. Now, some people I saw in other videos, they actually use this whole entire sticker, the dust removal cover. So let's try it that way. I've never actually done this before like this, but so they basically cover up the whole screen. Alright, and then you have a little knob there so you can take out all the dirt. Very, very different, I'll tell you that much. Alright, so let's get right into this part right here. So we're going to take it out of the plastic. Alright, so it seems very simple. All I saw is that you just have to peel this off, right? And then you're going to place it onto the phone, just like so. Just make sure you have it the right way. Okay, let's just make sure it's the right way. Alright, so it does say top right there. So place this down on the phone. Right, trying to see if it fits there. Okay, so it does go there. It says just push down the middle. All right, push down the middle there, and then slowly take it out. No way. Look how simple that was. Now it does actually pop out just a little bit here, but it's absolutely perfect up top. It's perfect. It's just raised a little bit here from the bottom, but the top is perfect. Plus it has a nice little cutout there too. Interesting. Now, if I did it, it would be a little bit more down, but it did actually work just like that. So if you guys want to pick this up, the link will be down below. If you guys like this video, hit it with a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of the iPhone 14 Pro Max and AM film products. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video. That was it. Later.